guys, welcome back to my channel. स्वागत है आप सबका मेरे चैनल में. In today's video, I'm going to create this rainbow makeup tutorial in honor of Pride Month. In this video, I'm really going to say to all of you that it's okay to be yourself. It's okay to enhance yourself the way you love to be. If you love to do makeup, it's okay. If you don't love to do makeup, if you like to stay simple, then also it's okay. No matter what platform you choose to be in your life, it's simply okay if it makes you happy and makes your family happy. But the most important part is to stay happy, to keep yourself happy. So yes, June is known as the Pride Month, and I created this rainbow look for this Pride Month. Before starting the makeup tutorial, I would like to say that please take a moment and subscribe to my channel if you are new here, and अभी तक अगर आप लोगों ने मेरा channel subscribe नहीं किया है, and also don't forget to hit the bell icon so that whenever I will come up with new content, you will get the notification. You can also subscribe to my website, that is www.twilightqueenbee.com. I will mention the link in the description below. And yes, without wasting any further time, let's get started. We'll start with eye makeup. I'm using LA Girl concealer in the shade Pure Beige, and I used a micro tape to get a very sharp cat eye look. I'm using my fingers to blend it out, and then I'm taking loose powder by Maybelline in the shade Light Medium to avoid any crease. And guys, I really don't know why today I'm using my fingers to blend, but I find it pretty much comfortable instead of using any brush or a blender. Though I should be using a blender, but yeah, it's cool. For this eye look, I will be using Paprika Bright from Makeup Revolution London for the first time ever, and it is a wonderful, colorful palette. I'm taking this shade Vitamin C as my first color. Using a flat eyeshadow brush, I'm applying it in the inner corner area of my eyelid. Then I'm taking Yes Peaches. The colors are buildable and really pigmented. I'm using another fluffy brush to apply it, and then I will blend it with the yellow shade so that there will be no harsh lines. And by the yellow shade, I meant Vitamin C. Taking this Fruit Punch as my outer corner area shade to create a beautiful depth, and then I'm blending it nicely to create a smooth rainbow shade. Now moving to my left eye, At first, I'm going to take green juice. It is a sweet green shade. Then I'm using Ocean Deep as my next shade. But oh no, it's kind of a shimmery shade, and so I'm taking Backstage. As for this rainbow eyes, I'm gonna keep it matte. And then I'm taking Reckless. It's a bright violet color and it will create a great depth on my outer corner. And I'm done, so I'm taking out my micro tape, and oh my god, look at the sharp finish. I loved it. For primer, I'm gonna use MAC Prep and Prime. This is a mini one which I got for free from Myntra while purchasing some other MAC products. I really like this primer as it blurs out my pores and gives a smooth canvas. For foundation, I am picking up MAC Studio Fix Fluid. Shade will be mentioned in the description below. I forgot to record when I was applying the foundation on my face in the very beginning. Though I am using a damp sponge to blend it and to have a smooth, perfect finish, I am dabbing the sponge instead of dragging it. So yes, you have to do the same while applying foundation. This is the only trick we all beauty bloggers use. I'm not applying extra foundation on my neck. I'm just using the left out on the beauty blender so that my face and neck color will be the same when it will oxidize. I'm using the same concealer to conceal underneath my eyes and then baking it with the same Fit Me loose powder. For contour, I am using Wet n Wild Mega Glow Contouring Palette. For the shade, check the description below. I am contouring my cheekbones as well as my forehead. And as it is a pride look, so today I will be contouring my nose using an eyeshadow brush to highlight my nose. I am using the banana shade from the palette. And now I am taking off the extra loose powder, and look, my under eye area is looking bright without any crease. Now coming back to the eyes, I will switch the eye color pattern for the under eyes. Right eyelid color will be on my left under eye and vice versa. For left under eye, at first I am applying vitamin C shade, and then Yes Peaches, and finally Fruit Punch, and at the end I will blend it. Same thing I am doing for the right under eye. inner corners, I'm using Honey Pot and No Exit shades. Both are shimmery ones and added a pop on my eyes. For eyeliner, I'm using Maybelline Gel Eyeliner. I did one eye off camera as it is really difficult to do winged eyeliner with one hand as I'm holding a mirror. I prefer liquid liner than this one, and phew, I'm done. I'm taking this shimmering one for my brow bone. It's a beautiful white shimmer, but I don't know why my camera failed to capture it. Damn. Next, I'm using Lastic Drama White Lusher Liner on my waterline as I want my entire face to look fresh and not dull. Eyes play a very important role in the makeup, so if you're creating this kind of look, then I will suggest you to use a white liner or a nude liner, as it will brighten up the entire look, your face, your eyes. For mascara, Maybelline Lash Sensational is the one I'm gonna apply, and don't forget to apply on your lower lashes ever. It makes a big difference, trust me girls, it does. For blush, I'm using MAC Dolly Mix. It's a subtle pink blush and it's buildable, and it is one of my favorite pink blush. For lips, I chose to use MAC Relentlessly Red. I love this shade. I guess it will go with the look, so let's give it a try. To fix my makeup, I'm going to use MAC Prep and Prime Fix Plus Pink Light. It does have a shining particles which I really like as it gives proper glow. And this lip shade is really not going well with this particular look, so I'm taking this NYX nude lip shade to see how it will look on top of the previous lipstick. And voila, it looks perfect. I'm using Wet n Wild highlighting powder in the shade Precious Petal to highlight high points on my face, and don't forget to highlight your chin. I don't know why, but I like to highlight my chin. I think it just completes my entire look. Honestly, I was a little bit nervous while creating this look because this is for the first time I ever created this colorful rainbow look, and I played with color. But though my experience was really nice, I had a fun while creating this rainbow makeup look. And yeah, you can also create it. The eyeshadow palette is available in India, and it's quite inexpensive compared to other eyeshadow palette, the other pigmented good quality eyeshadow palettes which are available in India. So if you're really looking forward to purchase any colorful eyeshadow palette, I will highly recommend this. And yes, this is the look I created. I hope you really enjoyed this video. You really like the look which I created. So don't forget to like my video, don't forget to give a big thumbs up to my video, and do comment, do share my video, and also please do subscribe my channel. I would love to say one thing, that love yourself, love who the person you are. Don't ever try to change yourself for the sake of others' approval. It is not worth it. If a person will love you, they should love you for the person who you are actually, not the person you try to change yourself for that person. It's really not worth it. So yes, love yourself and be proud of who you are, and don't ever try to change yourself for anyone, for anyone's approval, for anyone's love, for anyone's acceptance. No, be yourself. Maybe there will be people who will criticize you for who you are. In fact, there are many people in my life also who do criticize me for who I am. So I never paid attention to them because makeup makes me happy. when I do blogging, it really makes me happy. So I believe everyone should do all those stuffs, all those things which will make you happy. Okay, so बस मुझे इतना ही बोलना था, and see you soon in my next video. Till then, do take care of yourself, please. अभी तक कोरोना वायरस का वैक्सीन नहीं निकला है, so it's very important for you all people to take care of yourself. अगर आप लोग बाहर जाते हो for your office work or for shopping or anything, please wear mask, wear gloves. It's very important. And yeah, see you soon in my next video. Till then, take care of yourself. And you know what, guys, I really love you. Keep supporting me, keep loving me, keep supporting my channel and my website. And yes, you can also follow me in my Instagram. Bye bye.